Alright, so gonna get ready. Fly fish a loaded creek. It just got it was stocked. It's probably fished out a little bit, but we're gonna get the stuff ready. I don't know what kind of rods I'm gonna bring. I think I'm just gonna go with a really light 4-weight because it's a small creek. And then just gonna go fill it out, so let's get into it. Alright, so this is the fly rod we're bringing. It's a Cabela's, and I think it's a 6'4", maybe. No, it's a 6'6" 4-weight. It's super nice. I mean, it's great for just fishing something small, and it has some weight behind it. But the only thing is, if you hook into a big fish, it's gonna be a fun fight. But I'm excited to catch. Hopefully, we get a nice one. I'll get a good fight, and then just a fishnet Nomad. I think this is the native one, and then we got all of our fly fishing stuff. So let's get into it. So, alrighty. Alright, we're here. I'm gonna be throwing this Adams. I'm gonna get some coating on it so it floating. Use this stuff. It's pretty good. I like it. Gets the job done. Put a little smear on. Alright, just go up a little bit so the line floats. A big ass toad. See if that gets hit by something. The water is very warm, so if we catch them, because it's dammed up on both sides, so it's not really that fast moving water, so it's gonna be, you gotta keep the fish out in the water the whole time. All right. Let's try this now. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a nice one. Okay. He's running, going downstream. This is gonna be an issue here. Alright, we got my net on. Okay. Just go down. Let's try to get on these rocks and net this bad boy before he gets too tired out. I'm gonna try to horse him in so he doesn't get too tired. Come on, bud. Come on. Dang, bro. Big boy. Alright, get down here at this bad boy. Keep him in the water so he doesn't die. Okay. Come on, Bubs. Come here. Let's get you out. Come on, come here. Get that head up. Come on. Come over here. I want you to die. Come on. Trying to get you in the net. So we can get you off the hook. Beautiful. Good save. Alright, let's keep him in the water. Alright, it's a nice fish. It's a great fish, actually. Alright, it's an okay. Alright, let's get him back. He's in there. Alright, come on, Bubs. Beautiful trout. He's a nice one. Let's get him over this. Get over there. He's good. He swam off. Alright, that's one nice fish we caught there. It's good. Giant. This is a giant bow. No, I can't let him get out of there. I have to get him in the net. Wow, I hooked him on a like a little midge thing. I'll have to show you. It's supposed to represent a larva. Let me get my attention. I don't even know how I met this guy. He's so big. Okay. Wow, this rod's really fighting. Okay, come here, buds. So freaking fat. Get him in here. No, don't go under there. Come back. Yeah, come on. Can't let him get under that cover. Unless it's wraps, so I ain't gonna be able to get him out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get your head up. Get that head up. Come on. God, no. Come back. There we go. Come on. Stay out of there. Oh God, dude, this isn't good. He's so freaking fat. Come on. Oh, I can't even get him in the net. Oh my God, he's freaking giant. Monster. Holy. Freaking giant. On the fly came out. Oh wow. It's a big boy. Unit. Let's get it back in. Absolute monster. Where are you going? Come this way. Go straight. No. Go straight there, bubs. Go that way. Absolute beaut. Alright, we just got another one on the woolly bugger. Well, it's not, a moth fly, sorry. It's a nice red little bow. Try to keep him in the water. Oh no, it's a brook. What are you doing? It's a nice brook. Hook came right out. Beautiful brook, actually. See this bad boy. Them colors. Beautiful brook. Try to get him up, pick him up. Hold still, bubs. Okay. Beautiful little brookie. Let's get the release on him. See you, bubs. You alright? See you later, bubs. Get going. Alright, this is a nice brook. I got him on the dry. Beautiful fish. Oh my. Get his head up. Come on, head up. Alright, here we go. Come here, bubs. Come here. Wow, that's a stunning fish. Someone took a bite out of it. Keep it in the water. Alright, cutting to the iPhone. Beautiful trout. Get him on the good side. He has a bite mark out of him. I don't know how. Like just something got him. Absolute gorgeous brookie. Look how stunning he is. Let's get the release on him. See you, Bubby. Good catch. Alright, got this little rainbow. Too crazy. bow. It's off. There he goes. I have no clue what fish this is, but what it is, I just have it hooked. I think I accidentally snagged him. I'm not sure. Try to net it. Come here, Bubs. I don't know what you are. Oh, dude, I don't know where I hooked him at. I did not mean to hook this guy. Just tried the gas and I didn't realize my fly was underneath him. Dude, come on. Why are you? Fight though. Come on, dude. That's like a drum. Dude, come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, I hooked him on his side. Come here, dude. Come here. We're gonna play tug of war for a while until you just give up and just let me unhook you. Okay. Like what? I think you're a drum. Yeah. Fly rod on accident. I don't even know how to handle you. Alright, let me take your teeth. There he goes. Alrighty, end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.